Okay guys, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use EBSCO host. So you click here from our library website, and it's a little bit confusing because there are a lot of choices here to click on. So if you look, this is a database that we share with the whole city of Portsmouth. So there's Explora for kids, Explora for students, Novelist K-8 gives book recommendations in that age range. Novelist over here that doesn't say K-8 gives book recommendations for older students, like teens and adults. And if you look over here, EBSCO host that has kind of all of these different choices, I like to click where it says all EBSCO resources because that's all the resources, and then you get more results and more choices. Here you can scroll down and see all different databases within that link that you can search from. Often I just click select all. It does say it can slow down your response time, but I haven't had any problem with it. So I hit continue, and then this is the page that you'll get to where you can complete your search using the Boolean operators. You can see it says and or not. Select a field. You can do text, author, title, subject, terms, etc. Down here is where you can find the check mark to make to filter out just full text articles, and you can choose your date range here. You can click peer reviewed if you want to filter down to just peer reviewed items. So these are all your filters that limit your results, and that is all I really need to tell you to get started. I just want you to explore and see what you can find in your search. Good luck.